Hey you guys, what's up? So we are going to be continuing our palette journey today, and we're going to be creating this look that I have on my eyes using the OPV Beauty Spotlight palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to start with the shade Glimmer, which is the burnt orange in the palette. And I'm just going to place this into the crease and blend that upwards. We're also going to wing this out a bit. Taking a little bit of Edge, which is the brick red in the palette, I'm just going to deepen up this crease a bit. And then I'm gonna take Star, and it's this really pretty deep berry kind of fuchsia. And I am just going to place that all over the lid, as well as kind of blend it into that crease. All right, and now we are gonna take Dazzle Night, which is this lighter brown up here. And that's gonna go right on this outer corner area. And now we're gonna go in with Exhibit, which is this gold down here. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to my brow bone area, as well as my inner corner. So for today's glitter, I am using Star Crushed Minerals Tequila Sunrise, which is really pretty. I don't wanna dump it out, but there it is. And we are also using a little bit of Star Crushed Minerals Island Fever. And I'm gonna mix those two together and apply them towards the front of the eye here. All right, so now we are taking Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Rockstar. I am just lining my eye. This is like a deep, deep kind of, it's a deep purple, but it's like almost got a grayish tint to it. It's really pretty. Then we are gonna go in with Dirty Martini as well as Show. I'm gonna place those on my lower lash line area, and then I'm going to kind of blow it out and blend it out using Glimmer again. All right, so I have this little like really chunky, flaky glitter. I have no clue where I got it, who it's by. I'm just going to place this all down here, apply those other glitters as well. Then we are gonna take some liquid lipsticks, apply some dots, just kind of spruce it up a little bit. I'm gonna do that really quick. Now I'm taking Petal Pusher and Sangre liquid lipsticks from Hank & Henry, as well as Fuchsia Fever by Thebriabeauty, and I'm just applying little dots everywhere. Also going to apply them all in here as well. Taking that Thebriabeauty liner, I'm just going to outline my brow here. And then we're gonna apply some Très Chic lashes. These are in the shade Berry, and they are a really pretty, like, deep berry color. Look at my hands, you guys, whoa. Deep berry red with like some purple in there. They're really pretty. And I thought they'd match this look really well, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply those, and I will be right back. And here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.